Hello everyone, I'm Valentina, she is Diana.
We are students at Lingua Institute Level A2.
Today we are going to make our delicious food.
Bread and cheese
cake. The ingredients are oil, pieces of bread, avocado, chips, milk cream, salt,
pepper, parmesan cheese, garlic and onion, tomato, mozzarella cheese, and coriander.
Okay everyone, we will be back. Here in this pan, we move in the pieces of bread with salt and pepper. It's very important to conserve the growth of the bread.
Here we are going to fry some chips in hot oil. Here, this is salad. The ingredients are avocado, tomato, coriander, and salt.
Here we are going to add pieces of bread with the broth.
And some milk cream. With parmesan cheese.
We have everything ready.
We hope to enjoy delicious food.
Bye bye.
Bye.